Merhaba everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. Today I would like to show you lebeniyes çorbası, which is a yogurt soup and it has a tiny meatballs and chickpeas in it. It is very healthy and delicious recipe, and so let's get started. First we're gonna make the meatballs. For this I'm gonna use the food processor. I have one medium onion, just chop finely, and add 250 grams ground beef. It is better if the beef is a little bit has fat, and to that I added a half teaspoon each salt and ground black pepper. Mix everything until it forms to a ball. And our mixture is ready. Before giving a shape to the meatballs, I would like to begin to make my soup. So I have a half cup rice and about 3 cups water. I'm going to let it boil until the rice is soft. For the meatballs, the size should be same as the chickpeas because I'm gonna add chickpeas, so we prefer to make it the same size. It looks better, and when you eat, it is also make it nicer in your mouth. But if you want it to be easy, you can make it a bit bigger. So as you see, I sprinkled some flour so in order to not to stick each other. When the rice is soft, I added chickpeas, about 3/4 cup. I usually keep it in the freezer cooked. You can use canned chickpeas also. Added some salt and more water, and let it cook more about 5 minutes until all the juices and tastes come together. And before adding the meatballs, we're gonna fry them. And actually this step gives the most flavor to the soup, and it doesn't take too much since the meatballs are very small. You can fry them by shaking the pan about say 3-4 minutes. And add it to the soup. The last thing we need is a yogurt, which will help to make it more delicious and thicker. I have a homemade yogurt. It wasn't too much, so I added store-bought some yogurt. Totally 1.5 cup is enough, and 2 tablespoons plain flour and 1 egg. I just mix everything until smooth. And actually I add little bit of the soup mixture to make it warm, because if you add the cold yogurt into a hot soup, it might curdle. So this part is important. Just make it warm before you add it whole thing to the soup, and mix it while adding the yogurt mixture, and boil again in a low heat until it is bubbling. Just before the serving, we make a butter and mint sauce for the soup. Just fry some butter. I use the same pan I fried the meatballs. It has all the flavors in it. And add dried mint, about 1 tablespoon. Just for a 10 to 15 seconds is enough. You will get the all delicious flavor from the mint, and add it top of the soup. After this point, don't mix too much because you want some of the butter and mint sauce on top of your soup when it is served. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching and try this recipe. Please let me know when you try. I am really curious about the results. I also have a similar yogurt recipe, yayla çorbası, on my channel. I will put the link on the top and the bottom of the recipe. Thanks for watching and see you hopefully in another recipe. Afiyet olsun.